Every time we go to do this, I get like butterflies in my stomach.
You do?
Yeah. You want to see the butterflies? Just kidding.
Don't throw up, okay?
It's
Do you want to see them? Do you want to see them?
Look at the butterflies. Ah. Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the Culturally Challenged podcast. I'm Skittle, otherwise known as Sterling, and I'm joined by
Jane, and today we are going to do the animal noise challenge. So the way it's going to work is we have a list of animals, and Sterling's going to name the first animal, then he's going to make the sound, then I'll be making the sound, and then I'll name the second animal, and that's how it's going to work.
So the first animal we've got for you is a dog. And since there are big dogs and small dogs, we figure we'll do one of each and see how that goes. So I guess I'll do a big dog first. I should be pretty good at this. Pretty all right, yeah. Nailed it. Bah!
Actually sounded amazing. That actually, if you would have recorded that and put like a radio in front of my door with that on it, I would actually think there was a dog in front of
Yes. Yeah. Let's hear yours.
Oh God. That was terrible. Oh my God, that was
I thought you were-
terrible.
I thought you were gonna say, "Who let the dogs out?"
Who let the dogs out?
Alright.
So next up, we're gonna do the small dog. I don't think I'm gonna do too well on this one. I think Jane's got an advantage on me here because she's got a much more small dog voice.
Oh, what does that mean?
Yeah, that's about the best I got.
I hope you have your windows closed because your neighbors are gonna think, what the fuck is he doing up there?
Uh, yeah,
There we go.
that was good. Sounded like a tiny little Pomeranian.
I know. I tried to imitate my aunt's dog. She has a cute little chihuahua that always goes like that, so.
That is a very little chihuahua.
No, it's not. No. No.
Your turn.
Okay, so next up we have a cat. Okay, so when you step on their tail, it'll be. At least that's what mine does. But when they're outside and they want to come inside because of rainbows, I think.
Got one side of your lip making the noise. Can you make a purring noise? It's not bad, yeah. It's not bad. Okay. Alright, so now that we have scenarios for the cat, if it gets stepped on, it's like. My voice doesn't go that high. Oh, it's horrible. It's horrible. If they want to come inside because it's raining outside.
That's actually a really good imitation. Did you like train that or something?
I do it all the time.
Oh, when you want to come inside, you do that.
Yeah. I'm like drunk on my front porch going. So I do my purr a little bit different, but I think it's not bad.
It's a good one too.
Yeah. All right, next up, I'm not looking forward to this at all. Chicken. My mom has a bunch of chickens, and I know what they sound like, but here we go. I do look kind of like a rooster. That's what we were saying earlier.
I know. If the sound tips you.
So, oh, what about roostering? Roostering? Cock-a-doodle-doo? Okay, I'm done. Your turn. It's your turn.
Oh God. How do I? Oh, I can't do this. Oh, I can't do this.
See, that was no. I don't think that was bad. It sounded pretty good to me.
That's when you step on them.
Yeah.
Yeah. So next up, and this is gonna be. I really, honestly, have no idea how I'm gonna do this one. Elephant. I really don't know how to do an elephant. Woo! Oh wow!
I don't think I quite heard it that time. How does that go again?
No, no. I really don't know how to do it. No, this is no. I give up. No. You do it. You do the elephant.
Alright, elephant, I got this. Ain't no thing.
That was so good! That was actually... Oh, wow. You actually did the squeaky noise they made. You didn't do the call out. Do you know what I mean? Like sometimes they call out for their young ones and like... Oh!
No, they
know
don't.
what I mean.
They don't do that.
They do. You're just trying to get away.
No, I that's the only sound that comes to mind when I think of elephant. Try a different one. They make that sound?
See? That's what I mean.
It's weird. It's like a short, low trumpet. Like.
See, that's what I mean. That's what I was trying to do. Yeah, like. Oh.
So, oh wait, now can you do the trumpet? No?
No.
Oh, it was a baby elephant.
Oh, yeah.
Next up, we've got a frog. A frog? I've got to make it.
Frog.
Forget about it. Let's move to the next one.
Ah, yes, I kill me.
No, Sterling. No cheetah. No cheetahs.
I remember that. She's gonna point.
I want no cheetahs. Keep it cute.
Just slap us when.
Wow. Okay, here we go.
Oh, you're doing so cute. I want to.
My cheeks already hurt. I'm smiling too much, so don't pinch, please. It's like he's got a hiccup at the end there.
You actually do the kind of hiccup with it too, like your body. Alright.
Okay, your turn.
Alright.
It sounds like it's asking a question. Ribbon?
Ooh, I like the next one. Seal. Okay.
That's great. That's good. See, I thought you were an injured dog for a second there. It's very close.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
So, I might have the wrong animal in mind, the wrong animal sound in mind. I don't think so, though. So, seal. Here we go.
That's a good one too. Yeah, but like usually the big ones, because you have like really big seals, they make that sound. Walruses, I think.
Oh, well, that's not a seal.
I think it counts. I think so. But like usually the seals, they will go like.
So, next up, we've got monkey. It just says monkey. Now, let's do it like we did with the dogs. We'll do a small monkey, and we'll also do a large monkey, like an ape. I know technically apes aren't monkeys, but for the purposes of the video, we're just going to lump them together. Close enough, right?
They're family, so...
If that's monkey racist, leave me hate in the comments down below. I'd appreciate it. So this small monkey, I guess, sounds something like... I want to do the motions, you know.
That's good. Yeah, that's a good one.
What's your little monkey? Let's hear that. Yeah, that's good. That was a lot better. Bravo.
Thank you.
Okay, big monkey I could probably do better, because you know it's kind of the same thing, just bigger, deeper, right? So
At the end, you sounded like a dragon.
all right.
That's not even an animal. I know.
Desolation of Skittles.
Oh, okay. Big monkey. Oh god.
Okay, all right.
Sorry, that kind of sounded like my dad saying, "No, don't go there, no."
So your dad's just a big ape, huh? That's messed up.
If he would-
What's his email address again? I need to. I want to say that sounded almost like your big dog did too.
So next up we have a sheep. So that would be Kate's boyfriend.
Smoke weed every day.
Because she's Welsh.
That's what you get for not being here to do the challenge. Uh-huh.
Okay, that's true. So, next animal noise is sheep, which would be meh, 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 meh.
All right. You went with the traditional pronunciation, starting with a B. I gotcha. Okay. So, I've watched quite a few sheep
You can
videos.
also do it with an N.
Well,
Meh, meh.
I'm gonna show you another way to do it. Just start just doing a straight A sound.
Yeah, that's really good.
So the next animal doesn't really make a sound, but what sound do you think a fish would make? Okay, I'll go first. It's like one of those Zen questions. You know, what is the sound of one hand clapping? What is the sound of a fish if it could make sound?
Seriously, a fish. A fish. I mean, it's a fish. They don't. I think think they would like. I don't know why, because it would suit the animal, I think.
Do sounds really have to fit the animal though? Like with sheep, who would think that something that looks like a sheep would go ah?
True, though. Yeah, true.
I was kind of thinking fish kind of sound something like.
That's a good one, yeah.
That's it. We're out of animals, everybody.
Thank you for joining us today. I hope you really loved the video. Leave us a comment below to let us know who you think did what better. I hope to see you soon. Bye!
Bye, everybody.